Jason is in for Keith Carson, and Jason, you're tracking kind of a slow build on the temperature.
Yeah, I mean, the sun is making it feel amazing.
Oh, huge help.
Did you catch us at noon today? Brian and I, we had Katahdin behind us.
Oh, amazing.
It was great. Like,
yeah.
I mean, just snow-capped, what you want to see.
Not a cloud in the sky.
Yeah, it's crystal clear. And that's going to continue for a few days. We'll have some clouds pass through. It won't be quite as good, but we're going to run for 60 this weekend. I think we're easily in the 50s. And next opportunity for snow is Tuesday. That's when the storm will be close enough to us where I expect, and I'll break it all down, at least a good shot. Now, temperatures currently, look at this, 30s and 40s. This is pretty balmy for this time of the year. Typically, you're right around low, like 30s, like 32, 33. Head up here to Belfast, which, look, that fixed there. Ellsworth not reporting, but Eastport 32, Holton 33. I mean, typically, you don't really get out the 20s this time of the year as you head up to eastern Maine and to northern Maine. Look at the night vision SatRad. Not a lot going on here. You got some snow up in Canada, but that's it. Few high and mid-level clouds coming in. You see those here. That cloud shield gets in here this evening. This is not going to be an overcast situation. They're just going to pass through. Fair weather. We won't see any moisture from this. And then the wind is light out of the north as we get into your Thursday. And it'll be nice and clear. Really, a lot of sunshine. Again, that bluebird situation again on Thursday looks really nice. Here's that storm that's going to come through northwest of us. So we're going to be in the warm sector Friday, which means we get the warm air. After that system heads up north, what happens is we got a little wave of moisture coming out of the Gulf of Mexico that's going to hook up with an area here up to the north. This one is worth looking at very closely and tracking as it moves into just before Valentine's Day and then is out of here. So I'm going to just break it down computer model wise. Everyone's on the bandwagon as of the latest computer run. Euro, GFS, Canadian, etc. Everybody's in on it, but it's not quite that simple here. Look at ensembles here. And 41 of the 50 for the Euro are in. That's a strong signal. 17 of 30 for the GFS. That's in. Those are the two kind of big models we look at. So, yes, there's definitely a threat as we get into your Tuesday. Obviously, we're several days away. I'm not putting a snow map up, but I can tell you that we have a shot. We have a good one there. Seas 2 feet, water temp 39. The next several days of the forecast, you have those 40s giving way to 50 inland, which is tough to do, but it happened last year at this exact time this happened. If you remember, last February, we actually broke records, so it was actually warmer. There's the opportunity on Tuesday for some snow, but yes, last year, down to the day, we had the record-breaking 50s. I don't know how many people in Maine had short sleeves on. I know Amanda wasn't one of them, but I can tell you that I expect to see a lot of people doing it.
Yeah. All right, Jason, thank you.